Hi, Challenger. By now, you have probably set some exciting goals for yourself. Okay, so I'm sure you have already done your days 1 to 4 tasks. That is knowing your target market, your skill, your offer statement, and have optimized your profile. So may it be in Facebook or LinkedIn. So by now, you have probably set some exciting goals for yourself. Sana after this challenge, may client na ako. Gusto ko na talaga makapag-resign and go full-time online. Okay? Or if I land just 3 to 5 clients, I can finally hit my 6-figure income goal. And honestly, I really love hearing this kind of goals. So it means you are serious. But here's the reality. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. And sadly, that's where most aspiring freelancers and online bookkeepers get stuck. So marami may mga pangarap pero kulang naman sa plano, right? Okay. You can see here the daily tracker. So this will be your guide. Every day, this will be your daily plan of activities. Kasi kung iba, kulang sa plano, like they want 100K per month pero wala namang daily client outreach, or they wish for full-time online income pero profile pa lang ang nagagawa. The dream of freedom pero hindi naman alam kung ilang connects yung gagawin, ilang calls, ilang offers ang kailangan para makarating doon. So, here's the truth. Hope is not a strategy. So, maraming aspiring freelancers o even bookkeepers, akala nila may ginagawa na sila. So, nakapag-edit na ng profile, nakapag-optimize, nakapag-post na sa Facebook timeline. Pero after 1 month or 2 months, wala pa rin client. Bakit? Walang concrete na numbers. Wala tayong daily targets. Compare na lang natin doon sa mga nagbebenta ng fishball, no? Katulad ng alam nila kung ilang sticks ang kailangan nilang ibenta para kumita sa isang araw, or ilang oras silang tatayo sa init ng araw. So kung gusto natin ng online business pero wala tayong idea ilang kliyente ang kailangan, how many daily outreach do we have to do each day? Or how many discovery calls para ma-close natin yung 4 na clients. So, kailangan natin ng system. Okay? Para hindi tayo abot doon sa huli na, ba't wala pa akong client after 6 months? Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. So, your daily plan of activities, as you can see here, so this is your daily tracker. I have summarized this one. So you have the freedom to tweak this one. So before you start the outreach, read this one, join the right groups, hang out where your ideal clients are, build your lead list, know exactly who you'll reach out today. So ibig sabihin yan po yung target market nyo. And if possible, you can tweak your message templates. So all of these templates are provided and you have the freedom to tweak that one. Make sure you make them feel personal and natural. And don't forget to optimize your profile. Okay. So this will be your daily plan of activities. So from daily tracker, you will have your connects and those accepted. And then you have the following steps each day. Okay. And then this SOP, I will only give this one at the end of the 30-day challenge. Kasi mahirap yung ibigay ko ito sa inyo in advance and then hindi na nyo mababasa yung mga emails or yung mga instructions. So better concentrate tayo dito sa ating lead gen tracker. Your daily tracker, your daily activities, and every day, still, I will give you the daily tasks, kung ano pa yung mga actions or activities na gagawin. One at a time. So, all we have to do is this LinkedIn lead gen tracker. If you're going to click the link coming from your student portal, all you have to do is make a copy of this, okay? So, eto lang. You go to the file, you click that one, and click make a copy. Okay? And then place your name. Your name, let's say Alfie. Okay, LinkedIn lead gen tracker. Okay? And then click make a copy. Okay, that will be saved in your Google Drive. And you will use that one in our daily activities. Okay, so I'm preparing you to have that copy. So all you have to do is go to the file, make a copy, and then you place your name. Okay, so if your name is Gemma, okay, then after that one, make a copy. So that will be saved in your Google Drive. Okay, so starting today, I want you to stop leaving your business growth to luck or fate. So instead, let's break it down. Okay, listen. For example, if you have the goal of $1,000 per month, and then you're targeting at least 4 clients with $250 each. So meaning $250 times 4, that's $1,000 in a month. So if you need 4 clients, average conversion is 1 client per 10 discovery calls. So if you need 4 clients, at least 40 discovery calls. Okay? So to have 40 discovery calls, at least you have 200 connects or outreach in a span of 30 to 60 days. So doing 200 connects outreach divided by 30, so it's very durable, and that's 5 to 7 connects per day. Okay, so at least 5 to 7 connects. So that's why I place it here, start with 5 to 10 or 5 to 7 connects per day. Okay, so reminder before we start, complete days 1 to 4 first. Your target market, your skill, your offer statement, and optimize your Facebook or LinkedIn profiles. And then after that one, you download this one. So make a copy and then place your name and then comment inside the Facebook group. What's your income goal? What's your target clients? And what's your daily outreach target? And comment also, I'm doing this because, okay, so you continue that line. Because sometimes when you remember your why, it makes your daily tasks more meaningful. Example, I am doing this because I want to provide a better future for my kids and finally be present in their growing years. Okay. So, dapat yung why ninyo, ito yung hugot ninyo, bakit nyo ito ginagawa? Pagod ka na ba sa office? Gusto mo ba na i-uplift yung level ng career mo? Okay? So if you're still single or hoping na mag-improve yung career mo, then you can start this one. So I've started there. Okay? So I was once a newbie like you. Ginagawa ko lang po ito, taking action. Ito lang po yung sekreto. You just have to take action. Wala na pong iba. Kumbaga pa, hindi natin lagyan ng hesitation. I know some of you may doubts, may fears, but remember guys, napagdaanan ko rin yan. So, you have the roadmap. We have presented you the roadmap, ano mga dapat nyong gagawin. So, all you have to do is trust the process and enjoy the learning. Okay? So, yun ang pinaka-importante. Now, this daily tracker, okay, once na you are done with this one, so all you have to do is check that one, or if you're done with the LinkedIn outreach or thank you message, all you have to do is just check it. You can also replace this one kung ano yung mga dates na ilalagay nyo. Okay? Kung if this is June 1, June 2, June 3. So, it's up to you. Okay? And then, for this portion, connects and accepted, I will share that one on the next coming days. Okay? So, ang gagawin nyo lang, make a copy, download this one, save this one in your Google Drive. Okay? So, yun yung gagawin nyo every day para sa ating daily tasks. And write your goals sa ating Facebook group and dagdagan nyo ng why. Bakit nyo ito ginagawa? Because having that why, it makes your daily tasks more meaningful. So, ayan guys, no? So, focus to that one. Your SOP that will be given after the 30-day challenge. Okay, so I want you to focus muna sa ating daily activities. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.